Afternoon, guys. So today's project is we're going to replace a speaker in our Ford Escape. It kind of burned out, and so we're gonna take the inside of the door apart, change the speaker out, put it all back together, and that's what we're gonna do today. So follow along. All right, so we're in the car here. I'm gonna give you a quick kind of a rundown of what my process is going to be. I think, and never done it before, but this is what I believe I'm going to end up doing. I have a little nylon pry bar set from Harbor Freight. It's made for door trims and stuff like that. So what we're going to do first is we have to take off the mirror controller. We're going to take, there's a screw, I believe, back in here. We're going to take out. There's a screw down in here. A couple screws in the door, like there's one right down in there. And then we're going to pop the door off. Speaker, of course, is right behind that. So that's where we're headed. Alright, so two little clips right there, and then we got our actual control wire. And just unsnap that. So there's that off. There it goes. So it just has three little snaps. It snaps out, and right down in there is like a number 30 torque screw that has to come out. Okay. So another little plate at the bottom of the door handle with a Phillips head. So you look right there, there's a Phillips head, and again the number 30 torque, and we got two more Phillips right there, and one right here. So there's a screw. And then you just unplug the wires here. Okay. Alright, so we got those two screws out. I'll get the one in the front of the door. Alright, now I'm gonna go get a torque. Okay, I kind of came up with a makeshift thing here. There you go, there's that. I'm just going so I find till the tool gets tight, and then I'm just twisting a little bit, and you hear it popping. It should slide up. The door release cable is right here. We're gonna take this white thing, pop it out. Then we're actually just gonna raise up on our cable, release the little door handle. And we have one more wire here. So you just gotta push the lock and pull it off. There's our door. Now we're to the speaker with just 4 nuts. I'll try to find the right size. And here we go. It's a 6mm. And one more on the wire. So that's the blown up speaker right there. All right, so I soldered the speaker onto the wires. The plug was different, of course. I'll show you how to do that on another video. I actually got this speaker mounted back in there with the 6mm. So now we're just going to start putting the door back together in the reverse order. So we'll get going on that real quick. And the speaker works. So thanks for following along. If you can, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and there'll be more. We're doing not a remodel, a refreshing of our Ford. So I got 3 or 4 more videos that'll be coming out. So again, give us a thumbs up, like, and thanks for watching. Bye.